This is Mombo Camp on Chiefs Island in Moremi Game Reserve in the Okavango Delta region in Botswana. Here is room 5 of the camp, our room. Mombo was completely rebuilt in 2017, just a year ago. So it has all the modern amenities, comforts that you would come to expect in a wilderness safari flagship camp. So let's take a look. Okay, as you come in, this is the lounge area. Mini bar, hot water, coffee and tea. As you swing around, here's the bedroom. And then here, out here is a deck with plenty of animals out in the seasonal floodplain, which is dry right now. As you come in here, this is the vanity. And in the far end is the wash basin, closet, and then shower. For his and hers. And then around here is the bathroom. So the exciting part is the deck, which yesterday we had an elephant pay us a visit, drinking water from the plunge pool. And the beautiful view. And there's a little outdoor siesta area. And an outdoor shower. Right out here. Plenty of power ports, USB ports, completely solar operated. And back we go to the entrance. So that is Mombo Camp in the Okavango Delta of Botswana.